Hello, it's RJ Farming here, or RJ Farming Photography, because obviously there's a channel already called RJ Farming. So, yes, this is the channel, untouched, till today. So, this is me, my granddad's farm. This is where the cows are in the winter. But anyway, this is the quad Yamaha Big Bear 4x4 thing. So yeah, this is where the cows stay in the winter. They're not milking, it's just all beef cattle now. And obviously we breed about eight a year. Well, we have about 8 big Simmentals that breed every so often. So here's the little lens, giving it some wally, thinking they're hard. Look at them. Yeah, hello. Yep. Coming out here. This is the yard where the cows can go in the winter. There's the feeder. There's the little car I rip round in. I'll show you the silage bales in a bit. But this is the paddock, as we call it. There's Roger the Tuck, thinking he is very welly. There's Roger with the harness on, and then we want to get them into lamb at this time of the season. It's very early in the season. There's the silage bale, so that's the silage yard. He did used to do pit, but he doesn't do the pit anymore. So it's messy at the moment, very mucky, because he's been muck spreading with this tractor here. There's the muck spreader on the back, so Fraser Muck Master. And then yeah, I have something in this farm, which is I have a couple of cows. The name's Sirloin and T-Bone. Here they are. Hello. Yeah, they're they're getting fat, aren't you? Hey. Very fat now. There's the young one. That's the older one. See if we can get him up. Go on. Go on. Down. Hey. Anyway, yeah, so we've chucked them this bale of silage here. And we got about half barley and pellet mix kind of stuff thing, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, they're my cows. You may have seen that on the page, on the Facebook page of RJ Farming Photography. This is where all the dung's kept. This is where all the manure's kept in the winter. He just scrapes out, obviously, with his JCB farm turbo thing over here. So we'll go through here. This is where the beef cattle stay in the winter. In here. There's about 34 of them, plus my 2, 38. Dude, Ford 4000, scraper on the back. Got a feeding trough kind of thing here. Extra bit where they can go. That's the trailer that we used to take cows about. And this is the telehandler. And then this is the straw bales. Obviously, you're joking. And then we have road workers that keep the stuff here. So yeah, this is when we scrape out the cows. This is where the cows go and sit for a minute. There's the cattle crush. There. With hurdles all on it. Yeah, so we've obviously been doing work around here all day. Today, it's Saturday, so we're resting up now. I'm walking around the farm, but you know what I mean. We've got fence posts and all that there, over there. So, yeah, that's the tractor that you saw me driving on the Facebook page. My cows probably need mucking out, to be honest with you. You can't see, they're ready for a nice little muck out. Only last week we did it. They don't need it all the time. There's the sheep over there. And then I'll just show you these couple of fields here. I'm not showing you them all. This is the first one. That's called the pit silage field. Silage, I don't know. It's called field, you know, one of them things that has grass on it. And we'll see if we can get any of these cinnamon tiles down here. Well, there's a calf scaring all the sheep off. We're waiting for them to go up to the gate so we can let them out. But here's the cows. Go on. See if we can get them. Nah, they won't come. They're only there anyway. Just thought I'd show you them. Yeah, but they're them that little calf there. So the ones we were doing the other day. We set the cows out in there, but they didn't like the grass and they started getting thirsty because there's no water trough in there. Yeah, we're strip grazing the cows on this field here. So yeah, I'm just making sure that we don't give too much slack on this so the cows can get over, because they don't like this new electric fence here. Well, it's not new. They don't like the electric fence very much. But yeah, just give my granddad a little bit of slack. But yeah, I don't think it gives them too much more grass. But you know, it's nice and chillaxed out here. It's been brought the sheep back up, like I said we're gonna do before. But yeah, we've done it now. Right, anyway, see you in a bit.